Omega, hallelujah. I say call him,
the miracle
call him,
the miracle
Alpha and Omega, King of glory, the first and the last, me of the valley, on your name in my, the Lord is a miracle God. A miracle God is your name. It's a miracle working, wonder working God is your name. You are the King of glory, Lion of the tribe of Judah. At the mention of your name, every knee must bow, every tongue must confess that Christ is the Lord, the Lord of all, the Lord of all. The lily of the valley, the ocean divider. Yes, he can make all them faith, and he give me care. You are my strength when I'm so weak. You are my eyes when I couldn't see. You are my riches when I'm so poor. You are a miracle God. Oh Lord, I bow down before you to give you all the praise. Receive on thanks for to that. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let us give him praise. Let us bow down before him. Let us worship him. Cause he deserves the praises. Because you are there for me. I am so happy. You live in heaven there for me. Live in heaven. Anagine genuine love. Isuru keme chemo mage wega tuwe. Ikwesire kweso ni onye gama dakaniru. Ine jogu merie. Okwa ike waro simiruhie. Ine misirike adimfe. Tinere wanya gamwa. Nesi onye dum Israel gani mo ya. Otisirike nwatie na fortune ona agbakwari otu wani samu nwanudo ona agbakwari otutu edi chinche na-eme ka mmodi miracle God. You are the miracle God, the miracle God. Osisi no ya nefe aka na si. You are the miracle God. Oh Lord, oh Lord, miracle God. Ineje basi si ejeneje. Ine mi fasi se mereme. Ine kuli ogbeye, miracle God. Miracle walking Father, oh Lord, Okanangaranga, Ibeni Chindo, Chubie Bere, Chubie Bere.